Hello guys, and Akwaba to a new episode. Today I'm going to begin a new series where I'm going to take you through the fundamentals of filmmaking. And I'm going to begin this series with today's episode, the various stages when it comes to filmmaking. Now, if you've not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and put on your notification bells so you don't miss future videos. So there are four main stages when it comes to the filmmaking process, and these are the pre-production stage, the production stage, the post-production stage, and the distribution stage. Now when it comes to the pre-production stage, this is where the script is actually being developed. Also, this is where actors and other crew members are being selected. This is where the location for the film is also being selected. And finally, this is where the various equipment are being selected for the production of the film. When it comes to the production stage, this is where actors and other crew members go on set to actually produce the film. Now, when it comes to the post-production, that is where the VFX, the SFX, the color grading, and the actual editing happens. Also, this is where the film is being put together as one piece, ready for distribution. Finally, we are going to talk about the distribution stage, and this is the final stage when it comes to the filmmaking process. Now, this is the stage where the final product, that is the film, has been delivered to the consumers. Now, there are so many ways a film could be distributed, and some of these mediums are the film theater, a cinema, streaming platforms, and film festivals. So guys, that will be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video.